side. You work real hard and you know exactly what you want and need. So believe, and you can never give up. You can reach your goals. Just talk to your soul and say, I can.
I'm Veronica, and I'm excited to throw my hat in the ring for the head boy position this year. I understand that being the head boy is a big deal, and I'd be honored to take on that responsibility and represent both you and our fantastic school. When I think about what it means to be head boy, it's not about acing every test or being the star athlete on the football field. Okay, maybe that helps a bit. It's about giving your best in everything you do every day. It's about setting an example for others by showing kindness and spreading positivity. It's about being approachable, caring, and friendly. And it's about being there for your school even when you're not physically in the building. One of the most important parts of being head boy is being the voice of the students. It means making sure your fellow students' concerns and issues are heard by the teachers, the principal, the acting vice principal, and even the PTA. Let me share a little about my own journey. When I first walked through the doors of Concarthy Primary School, I was a shy and unsure kid. But thanks to the amazing head boys who came here before me, and the support of my teachers and friends, my confidence has grown. I believe that I can continue their legacy and help others gain confidence just like I have. I'm living proof that the shy kid can be a strong and positive role model as your school's head boy. So I'm asking for your vote and your support. Let's work together to make our school even better. Please vote for Jaron Buckham, and thank you for considering me.